I recently took a trip back home to southern Minnesota to spend a week on the family tree farm. There really wasn't any agenda to it, just do what needed to be done or whatever sounded like fun at the time. One day, a good friend and former college roommate drove down from the Twin Cities to visit me. He brought along some nice camera gear as well as his drone, which he flies professionally. This video is a collection of the amazing footage he shot for me on the farm that day. We decided that with all the extra help we had on hand there that day, and with a bona fide cameraman on site, we needed a good project to tackle. I really wanted to cut up some walnut boards because my supply was starting to run low. So after talking it over, we decided that these three nice trees were crowding each other too much, and the smallest one needed to go so it would stop competing with the other two for sunlight. That would make it easier for the superior trees to continue growing big and healthy. With the tree on the ground, it was time to start the limbing process. So we broke out the little saws and went to work taking off the branches and turning the smaller pieces into firewood logs. The significance didn't strike me until I was older, but I've probably thrown more black walnut into a fire than most people will ever lay their hands on. My dad and I have been working together like this since I was a young boy. Each of us knows what needs to be done and how to do it safely. It's amazing how efficiently you can work when the guy you're working next to already knows every move you're going to make. With my brother-in-law Eric doing the heavy lifting from the tractor, we had this tree reduced to its usable pieces in no time.
perfect. Let me lock it down.
It really meant a lot to me to spend this day with my family and my friends. Thank you all for watching and for letting me share this place that has given me so much and has had such a profound impact on my life.